In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a track in BandLab Studio. First, open BandLab in your web browser or the app. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account so you can access your projects. After you're signed in, head to your library. This is where all your saved projects live, so it's the best place to pick up where you left off. Find the project you want to work on and open it. When it loads, click Studio to enter the editor. The Studio view is where you'll see your tracks laid out horizontally on a timeline, with bars and beats marked by the grid. Now click the track that contains the part you want to repeat. You're looking for the audio or MIDI clip on that track, the rectangular block that represents your recording or pattern. With the clip selected, move your cursor to the top right edge of that clip. As you hover near that corner, watch for a small loop icon to appear. This icon indicates you can create repeats of the clip. If you see a simple trim cursor instead, slide your cursor slightly upward until the loop symbol shows. Trimming changes the clip's length. Looping creates repeated copies of the same clip back to back. Click and drag that loop icon to the right along the timeline. As you drag, BandLab will automatically add evenly spaced repetitions of your clip. Play the project to hear it loop seamlessly. If the repeats don't line up the way you expect, stop and check the clip's original length. For best results, make sure your clip starts and ends at a musical boundary, like 1, 2, or 4 full bars, so the loop points match your rhythm and avoid awkward cuts. Use the grid as your guide while you extend. The vertical grid lines correspond to beats and bars, and snapping helps your loops land cleanly on those lines. If you need precision, zoom in a bit to see the grid more clearly, then drag to the exact bar where you want the loop to stop. You can extend the loop as far as you like. Just follow the grid marks until you've filled the section of your song you're building. When you're done, press play and listen through the transition between repeats. If you hear any clicks or timing issues, nudge the original clip's start or end to a clean bar, then loop again. That's all there is to it. Select the clip, grab the loop icon at the top right edge, drag to the desired length, and let the grid keep everything tight and musical.